When we're multiplying and dividing with significant figure in mind, we have to follow some rules. Let's begin with an example. We're going to multiply 4.56 times 1.4 in our calculator. So take out your calculator and you try it too with me. So after I punch this into the calculator, I get the answer 6.384. So let me write that down. And based on our calculator, 6.384 was reported in the calculator. However, the actual answer with the correct amount of significant figure is 6.4. Why? If you look at these two factors over here, you're going to pick the one with the lowest significant figure. 4.56, this has 3 sig figs. 1.4, that has 2 sig figs. So because the second one has a lesser amount of sig figs, our answer needs to be with 2 sig figs, hence 6.4. Let's try dividing. The dividing works the same way. You're going to report your final answer in 2 sig figs. Our calculator shows 4.56 divided by 1.4 is equal to 3.25714. It's got a long numbers, and we're only going to utilize the 2 sig figs, 3 point, and then we're going to change this to 3 because there's a 5 over here, and that because of the 5, that 2 needs to be rounded up. So this would be 3.3. It's taking into the account that there's 2 sig figs. The lowest sig fig is 2 sig figs. So the actual answer would be this one and this. So round your final answer to the same minimum count of the sig figs. Let's do a learning check. So go ahead and try multiplying and divide and report your final answer in correct significant figures. Come back, calculate, and come back and check the key. And here is the key. So if you look over here on A, 9.4, that one has 2 sig figs, whereas 900 point has 3. So hence why we use 940 without the decimal point so that there's 2 sig figs, or we can convert that into scientific notation. Similarly, for part B, the one with the lower sig fig is the one that dominates the answer. This one has 1 sig fig, this one has 3. So therefore, our final answer is in 1 sig fig here, or this. This one, this also has a lowest one is 1 sig fig. It's coming from the 10,000. It doesn't have a decimal point. So therefore, you're going to go ahead and just multiply, and a calculator will actually spit out 4, and 4 would be it. Let's try another significant figure problem. What is 4.11 in milliliters? Report your final answer in correct sig figs. So I'm going to do this one with you. We have 4.11 liter, and we want to change that into milliliters. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply it by the conversion factor. Here's liter on this table here, and the relationship between a liter and a milliliter is located right here. So every 1 liter is 10 to the third milliliter. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 liter, 10 to the third milliliter, and then put an equal sign. The liters cancel out based on what we have learned in the previous videos. Now we are going to go ahead and multiply by 4.11 times 10 to the third. Your calculator will spit out 4,110 milliliters. Now, is this the correct sig figs? Well, let's see. Well, you might think that you'll know that this is 3 sig figs. How many sig figs here? It's actually just infinity. Why? Because it's coming from inequality. Anytime when it's coming from these table inequality factor, you're not going to take them into consideration for significant figures. Even if you do, they're infinity. So the lowest sig fig would be 3 sig figs. Do I have 3 sig figs here? Yes. Without the decimal point, this is 3 sig figs. Or it is 4.11 times 10 to the third power milliliter. So those are the two possible answers. Try number 3 and come back and check the key. And here is the key. Let's try the next one. Try this and come back and check the key. Here is the key. Last one. You will have to go through multiple steps on this one. Let's try the first one together and you can try the second one. It says to report 20.08 centimeters in kilometers. So report your final answer in the correct significant figure. So we start off with 20.08 centimeters. Well, we don't see a relationship between centimeters to kilometers directly in this table, but we do see a relationship to the centimeters to meter and meters to kilometers. So it's a two-step process. So we're going to first utilize this one first, then this one. Why? Because we want to cancel out the centimeter first. So 10 to the second centimeter for every 1 meter. That cancels out centimeter. Keep going, and then I have 10 to the third meter for every 1 kilometers. And then so this cancels out. Let's punch this into the calculator. So we have 20.08, and then that is multiplied by 1, and then multiply 1 again, which is everything across on top. Enter. Divided by, I'm going to double parenthesize, 10 to the second power. That's our first one here. And then multiply that by 10 to the, with the parentheses, 10 to the third power. And then I'm going to close it with another parentheses. And then I get 2.008. And then you'll see this e to the 4, or your calculator might have given you in a decimal. This e just represents 10 to the negative 4. Please do not write in your answers e, but rather write times 10 to the negative 4. So that is 2.008 times 10 to the negative 4 kilometers. Or you could have written this as 0.0002008 kilometers. Either way, they're both reported in 4 sig figs, which is what we want. Our answer should be 4 sig figs because what we start off with is 4 sig figs. And that's the lowest amount of sig figs. These right here, they have infinitely many sig figs. Now you're going to try the next one and come back and check the key. Now your calculator probably spat out 1, but we are not done yet. It is not 1 deciliter because this is 1 sig fig. So if you look in the starting point, this has total of 4. It has a decimal point. So all of the trailing zero count. There's 4. So how do we make this into 4 sig figs? One way is by putting a decimal point and then putting 3 more zeros and then write our deciliter unit, and this would give us 4 sig figs. You could also written this in a scientific notation, times 10 to the, and then it didn't move any decimals, so to the 0 power deciliter. So either one would work.